threw this whole damn life away. And what would you do? You get this life, I know something to do. I just wanna get in my car and drive away to somewhere very far. A beautiful world, not blocked out like billboards. Cause every day it looks the same. It takes the baseline out of me. It seems that every day you're walking away, nothing to say. It's like every time somebody show before the starting line. And what does this mean? Fuck this world, let's forget everything. I walked a half a mile and go just to find some place to be alone. And what do I get? A bunch of pollution. And every day it's all the same. It takes the piss right out of me. It seems that every day you're walking away with a smile on your face. So I'll take the problems on my head, I'll take the blame and save your ass. But kick me when I make mistakes because you really are the best. So you can use me if you can have body care with body hair and show me up to all your friends at any time or anywhere. I'll tell me love with empty feelings cause they never go away. And I fucked up every day. And I tried, and I tried, I'm wrong, I'm wrong. You're the one that's wrong. Cause everybody makes mistakes. Don't take your problems out on me. Right now I'm falling cause I'm walking away with nothing to say. And every day is all the same. It takes the fuck right out of me. It seems that every day you're walking away, calling me gay. 女シテロ僕は満開